The little things matter more than you think. Sometimes the ones you'd never imagine had anything to do with programming. From your chair to your desk setup, these small details can make or break your focus and productivity as a programmer. Hey everyone, it's Parsa. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I tell you a little thing that makes a big difference in your programming, like how your chair impacts your work, and I'll be unboxing the new chair that I just bought. I have experience of programming for over 5 years now, and on this channel, I'm here to share how I tackled the challenges I faced along the way, show you some of the tricks that I've learned, and document my journey. I just migrated to Germany on a student visa, and I just found my new job in Europe as a software engineer. To become a software engineer, I already recorded a video of must-have skills, which you can see right up here, and definitely we'll record another one about what I did exactly to find this job. You know, it's not just about your hard skills. So I'm having my first payments. The first thing I did was treat myself with two essentials, a monitor and a chair. Both pretty awesome, especially the chair. I'm talking about the monitor that I unboxed in this short video of mine. The thing is, sometimes when we feel tired, it's actually your body that is physically drained. As a matter of fact, the way you sit can affect how your brain works. It's not just about comfort, it's about posture. When you're hunched over, it can restrict your blood flow and oxygen to your brain. On the flip side, sitting upright helps keep your mind sharp and boosts your energy level. One of the good, or maybe bad, thing about being a programmer is you will spend hours sitting behind your desk. So for programmers, this is huge. We spend hours at our desks. It's actually your second home. And the bad posture can lead to more than just back pain. It can affect your mood, your productivity, and even how creative you feel. Investing on a good chair or setting up your environment ergonomically isn't just luxury. It's a way to work smarter and feel better while doing it. Let's get into it. Okay guys, now I'm going downstairs to pick my chair. Okay, that's it. Yeah, there it is. Okay, there are too many parts. These are wheels. I don't know what is it. Some nails and well, I think this is the part where we connect this to the chair. All right, let's see what's going on in there. Okay, at first we should not throw it out. Thanks for mentioning. Okay, as you can see, we have these parts. This goes inside this. Okay, they are destroyed now, but apparently this is B, this is A, this is C. Now, the wheels. Okay. Really? Now we go to the next part. This is it, I think. Okay, this goes. Well, this is big. Okay, now this is the front. It seems to be the left hand side. Connection here. And we should connect the B screws. One of this, big guy. Okay. Push more pressure. At the next part, something is getting connected to this, which I think this is the biggest one. And as you can see, we need 3 washers, 3 screws. I should keep it with my hand, and I think the last part is to actually put these 2 big parts together.
A few moments later.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to accompany me on my journey.